And one thing I didn't mention was when I put these new bolts in, I was torquing them down to the 44 foot-pounds as it's specified. And if you can see, these tore the threads straight out of the subframe. So I looked it up, and on the forums it tends to be a really common thing. I found one post where a guy said, considering his stripped out so clean, he just bought a 7/16 tap, coarse thread tap, and did that and put in a 7/16 coarse thread bolt. So sadly I won't be able to use the new OEM bolts, and this is taking more time and money out of my day. So here's the 7/16-14 coarse thread tap. I got the matching bolt. So now let's make these threads in the subframe before we could actually finish up this job. So I got the thread tapped and this bolt fits perfect, but take a look right here. It won't go through the steering rack. So I'm gonna go to my dad's shop, drill this out the slightest bit just so that this can slide through, and then we should be good to go and put everything back on. I drilled this part of the bushing out to a 1/2 inch, which now fits the 7/16 bolt perfect. So we'll press this back in, and then we could bolt this in the frame. Mint.